Welcome to my Beyond the Screen horizontal template. I want to give you a brief demonstration of what's included. One really cool feature is that there are two epic screens included with the download. There's a giant flat screen that you can use to include a bunch of different graphics, pictures of your seniors, the team motto, even the schedule or something could go up in here. You can also shut that off and insert the tri-screen, which has three different screens that you can use to include graphics in this too. These can be completely customized in colors, text, or any pictures or information you want to insert into it. Here's a large wrestling team that we've included some graphics in the center with some text off the sides. There's a couple different options for that. And here's a sample of a basketball team. I have the team motto and some extra graphics up above of their backs. Or here's an example of just using the seniors in the tri-screen. The download includes layers for a hockey and a mat, which can either be used for wrestling, tumbling, or martial arts. You can easily print up to 10-foot banners with this high-resolution template, or you can easily print 4x6s, 5x7s, and 8x10s by keeping everything important inside these two teal guides and sending the whole file to print, and it'll crop off just some extra room off to the side here and here. This is an awesome template, and I know your subjects are going to love it.